Hey, Trip, you copy Wakey Whack, Big Bear Mountain, SoCal 599's neighbor?
Hey, where you at? Hey, where you at? Woo, I hear you, big brother, right to the neighbor, right to the 599.
All right, Trip. Well, I'm glad to hear these old Browning Bird Eagles got enough giddy up and go to say hello. And maybe you give me a little comment on the audio. And with that, I'll say 7-3 and Wakey Whack with the almost weekend wave, Southern California Mile High Station.
Hey, where you at? Got you right. Hey, where you at? Here, top day, big brother. Hey, where you 420 United? Hey, your friend. Hey, where you at? 599, you know.
You copy 388 388 Southern California.
Hey, I see you that double A Southern California out there. If you could make me out, yeah, 50 miles east of Mobile, Alabama, Pensacola, Florida.
Okay, QSL on the Pensacola, Florida. Sorry about that. Hey, I just wanted to get a quick radio check if I could. I'm running some old Browning Golden Eagle tube radios and wondering how they're sounding. I don't have any power or anything fancy like that, but wondering how you're copying, how the audio is on these old Browning Golden Eagle tube radios. 388 Southern California.
Yeah, Southern California, my needle ain't going to get me down to get loud and proud here in Northwest Florida. 7-3, we're going to need you, man. I'm already seeing this song.